Hello traders, hope you all enjoy trading. In this video, I will share some of my entries for this week and my reasons why I entered. Maybe this will help you to improve your skills. In this video, this week I made a huge peps. I shared a lot of them with you guys, but now I will share my reasons why I entered trades. First pair, I have Euro USD. I have this 4 hours downtrend line. Daily time frame, we have amazing bearish candlestick, this shooting star candlestick. It closed below the previous support and new resistance. And when the price closed below, the price retested and moved to the downside. And that's what happened again. Usually I use this strategy. I look at for the history and see how the resistance and supports handle with the price. And after I have this amazing huge bearish candlestick, I entered the asset trade from this level, gave me 50 peps, zero down, and it's still running. Second, I have two entries on oil. First entry was very interesting. It was the lowest price. The price touched it last year. So I decided to enter a buy trade from here after this very good wick and rejection. The price now 400, I think more than 400, yes, 400 peps. And where I entered the second entry, it was very easy. We have a very good daily closure above. The price go back to retest it with this amazing bullish candlestick, and then we entered the buy trade, and now it's running 120 peps. So it was a very good entry. Also USD it was a good entry, but it's very slow. Why I entered, it was a very simple setup. We have a very good support to push the price to upside many times, very hard, as we see. So when the price touched this area, it was my sell entry, hit full targets 250 peps. When the price went below, it was a fake breakout. The price again back above it. I followed the 4 hours price action, and I see that we have this amazing bullish candlestick, this pin bar or hammer candlestick. It's my favorite bullish price action signal to enter. I entered it from here, and now it's running almost 70 peps, zero drawdown. I have two entries on Euro AUD also. I shared this first one with you guys. As you see, I shared that. You can check it. I will put the link below. Now it fully closed 250 peps. It was very simple setup. We have a daily resistance. The price closed with this huge bearish candlestick. So let's see, let's say 90% the price will go back to retest the same entry or the same resistance level. The price back to retest, gave multiple bearish price action, and then the price moved to downside very hard to 150 pips. Why I entered the second entry, we have multiple rejection in this resistance. It was an old resistance also. The price respected many times, as we see. So for our time frame, when the price give me this candlestick, I entered the sell trade from here, and now 170 pips. Euro NZD, I have entry yesterday. It was a very interesting entry, to be honest. The same for Euro AUD. We have very good resistance at 1.88650. This one pushed the price to downside many times, and the price can't close above it with daily candlestick. The price closed with very good bearish candlestick. The price back to entry point, and then moved to downside 140 pips. Euro JPY, I have entry from last week. I entered from here. After this huge movement to upside, I put my FIB tool from here to the high, and I entered from 78.7 FIB level. It was a very good entry. Also gave me more than 200 pips. EuroCAD fully closed this week. Was very easy entry, to be honest. The price moved to upside very hard without any correction. So when we see a huge movement to upside like this, be sure that the price will move to downside very hard as the price go up very hard. So I decided to enter after this amazing daily candlestick. I waited the price, I put a sell limit order, and the price activated my order and moved to downside very hard, 250 peps. It was just an amazing entry, to be honest. I have Nasdaq also this week after this huge bullish candlestick. It was an amazing bullish candlestick. I entered the buy trade from here and they gave me 500 peps. I have GPP USD from yesterday with daily closure in the market. We have a very good resistance. The price can't close above it with daily candlestick. I entered a sell trade and they gave me 50 peps. GPP AUD, I have two entries. I shared both entries with you guys. This is my first entry, 200 peps, more than 200 peps. I shared it with you guys for free. And also I shared this entry yesterday with you guys, now 140 peps. The reasons are very easy. We have a very good resistance, the highest price, the price touched it. So it was a very good area to can enter a sell trade. And also the price make this support. So I decided to enter from here to the downside. I also have GPP NZD yesterday, the same Euro NZD. We have the same resistance area, multiple wicks in this area, so that means the price will go down. For our time frame, we have very good bearish price action here, so I decided to enter a sell trade and gave me 200 pips. I have NZD USD from last week. It was a very good entry, to be honest. This is the highest price the price touched it since I think 3 months. So I entered the sell trade with this bearish candlestick. When the price gave me this bearish candlestick, I gave it for free for you guys. Also this analysis, the price moved to downside very hard, gave me 70 pips. NZD JPY, I think from Sunday when the price, sorry, when the market opened, it was a very simple setup. We have a very good closure above previous resistance. The price can't close above this area. So when the price go back to retest it, I entered the buy trade and gave me more than 100 pips. CAD CHF last week, it was a very good setup, to be honest. This was the lowest place we can enter a buy trade for this pair. So I put my buy limit order here and it activated and gave me now more than 100 pips. So this was my entries for this week. I hope you benefited from it, and I think I shared all my reasons. I didn't hide anything, so maybe this will help you to improve your skills and help you to make a good profits next week. My advice, always check the history for the pair and check how the price handled with your resistance and support areas to can enter a buy trade, and always use price action to make your last decision. Hope you all benefited from this video. Trade safe and have a great weekend.